Welcome to Stirling Ranch in Missouri Heights and one of the best opportunities in the Roaring Fork Valley.
This is mountain modern design at its finest. From the steel beams to the warm white oak floors and amazing natural light, this home is never going out of style.
Stirling Ranch is one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in the Mid-Valley and Missouri Heights. And this home site in particular is pushed to the southern end of the neighborhood where you get the very dramatic views, but you don't get any of the road noise and the clutter of other homes or structures around you.
Sitting on nearly 10 acres with some of the best views of Mount Sopris, crews are busy putting the finishing touches on this incredible home, making sure every detail is perfect.
The quality that has been put into this home is phenomenal.
Quartz countertops, Wolf appliances, Sub-Zero. We have a wet bar upstairs, a wet bar downstairs, a 3-floor elevator.
The home offers over 6,200 square feet. You're greeted by the stunning great room with floor-to-ceiling windows with sweeping mountain views.
You can really see from Independence Pass to Sunlight and the whole Elk Mountain range.
Cook and entertain in the fresh contemporary kitchen with double islands, or head out to the spacious deck and soak up the scenery. Take advantage of the huge mudroom, then stroll across the sky bridge to the primary wing, complete with spacious bedroom and fireplace, designer closet with washer and dryer, and then there's the primary bath with a soaking tub that gives you a direct view of Mount Sopris.
Upstairs we have a studio with a bath, and you could really do anything you wanted with that. I think it'd make a great art studio, workout room, office.
You have 4 bedrooms downstairs that are all en suite. Everybody has their private space. And then there's a wonderful media space in the middle for people to gather with a wet bar.
Now add in radiant heat and central AC with 18 programmable thermostats, as well as 6 Sonos amps and top-of-the-line security system. There's also a 933 square foot detached building perfect for a gym or storage. You can even build your own barn for horses.
You can ride horses through the whole neighborhood. You can have horses on your lot or board them at the common equestrian facility.
And you have easy access to the entire Roaring Fork Valley.
It's 15 minutes from downtown Basalt, 15 minutes to downtown Carbondale, 45 minutes to Aspen.
From the size of the lot and the quality and design of construction, I don't think Missouri Heights has seen anything like this.
Call today and schedule your private tour of this incredible Stirling Ranch estate.